Hi everyone, it's me Chloe. Welcome to our Happy Trading Live channel and thank you for watching our futures crude palm oil weekly market analysis. Announcement: due to high volatility in futures crude palm oil, again futures crude palm oil initial margin has been revised higher from 9,000 to 11,000 effective 17th of March 2022. CPO pledged and closed sharply lower at 5,629 last week. Congratulations who have shorted below 6,600 last week and profit taking at 6,417 or 6,051. Again, congratulations if you have referred to our trading plan last week. Let's get started. What caused palm oil prices deep drop last week? First, Indonesia announced surprise policy U-turn to remove export volume restrictions on palm oil products and raise its export levy from 375 per ton to 675 per ton. Indonesia also subsidized bulk cooking oil starting from 1st of April 2022 to coal prices and maintain purchasing power. Second, Argentina imposed new export restrictions that temporarily suspended exports for soybean flour and oil amidst rumors it is planning to hike taxes due to surge in primary material costs following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Third, weaknesses in crude oil prices as traders focus on the progress of ceasefire talks between Russia and Ukraine, which may reduce demand for biofuel. Fourth, China sold their cooking oil reserves as buyers favor more on soybean oil over palm oil as premium products. Besides, resurgence of coronavirus cases in China dampening market sentiment. Fifth, soybean oil prices decline on positive weather for crops in South America is dry condition. Let's have a look on our technical view. First, obviously, long black bar formed after palm oil prices deep drop last week, which indicates sell signal. Second, stochastic K line is moving down in weekly and daily chart, which indicates sell signals. However, K line near to oversold in daily chart, which indicates market likely to rebound before further drop. We expect market may bounce if touch on immediate support level at 5,365 before further drop. Our suggestion trade for this week: short if stay below 5,600, stop loss 5,803, target profit level: first target profit level 5,397, second target profit level 4,991, long if stay above 6,300, stop loss 6,097, target profit: first target profit level 6,503, second target profit level 6,909. That's all from us. If you like our futures crude palm oil weekly market analysis, remember to click like and share, and remember to subscribe to our Happy Trading Live channel. Thank you for watching. Happy Trading Live. Cheers.